Today we are taking a tour on this 900 million 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. This house is fully furnished smart home located in Abuja's $1 million villa GUZAPE. This property is buy, move in straight away because it's fully furnished, it's livable. To the kitchen, so I see what the kitchen looks like. So this is actually an old kitchen concept. So we try to go beyond the traditional kitchen that we always had. Then we try to give this an open kitchen concept, as you can clearly see. So this is your stove, and it has everything you need in your kitchen.
Okay.
This is like the lighthouse. So as you can see, that's the solar power. So you have option of using the sunlight when, of course, and then you also have the option of using the back. So let's go to the first floor. And like so here we have, this is the lounge, call it the family lounge. You can see the sections below. Okay. Alright, so here we have, this is one of the rooms. So here on the first floor we have 3 rooms. This is one of it. They are all en suite because each of them has its own toilet and bathroom. Alright, so let's check out the second room. This is the madam's room. What a lovely room we have here. So it's comfortable, it's spacious enough. You know what madam's like. And here this is a balcony for the madam, and then from here you can see the view. Now let's go to the children's. We have the children's room, and you know the good thing about this room is that it's well crafted for the children. It's spacious enough, they can have their space, enjoy their time in their room, and of course here we have the toilet and the bedroom. Remember I said that each of these rooms are all en suite, special enough with their closets and all. Go to the last floor where you actually see the master's room. My favorite room, that's the master's room. So see how beautiful it is, the fittings, the walk-in closet, and everything. In fact, if you are here, I mean, what else will you be looking for? The coffee is here, it's peaceful. So yeah, let me take you to So this is the view. I mean, from here you can see almost 20 to 70% of Abuja. And you know what's it mean? If you're interested in being a proud owner of this fully furnished 5-bedroom duplex here in Abuja's $1 million villa GUZAPE, call me, MiraEmma Properties, on the number displaying on the screen, or check the description, get to see my number and you can give me a call.